Using Versant Power's customer portal, you can view, pay, or download your bill, schedule payments, report an outage, and access information about your energy use. You can access your account online at any time at versantpower.com/my-account. Using the Welcome menu in the upper right-hand corner of your account portal, you can manage your accounts, update your profile information, change your password, or log out of your account. To return to the main menu, just click Accounts in the upper left-hand corner. By selecting your account from the blue menu on the left, or at the top if you're using a mobile device, you can view your account details, make a payment, report an outage, learn about your electricity use, and more. Click View and Pay Bills to manage payments and payment accounts. Using the menu in the upper left-hand corner, you can find a range of options. You can look at past bills under Document History. Choose Manage Alerts to let us know if and how you prefer that we communicate with you about your bills and payments, whether by email or text message. If you choose text message, any standard rates for SMS will apply. You can set up your account for automatic payments by selecting Manage Autopay. If you're experiencing a problem with your power, you can report the issue right from your account. Finally, learn more about your home energy use by viewing how that use changes month to month, checking out how you compare to similar homes, what your bill forecast looks like, ways you can save, and more in-depth analysis of how you use power. You can also choose to share your usage data with competitive electricity suppliers. If you need support, please call our Customer Contact Center at 207-973-2000. Versant Power. We provide the power, you create the possibilities.